Are you tired of your Sony WF earbuds running out of battery too quickly? In this video, we'll cover the best tips and tricks to maximize battery life on your WF-1000XM5, WF-1000XM4, and even the newer WF-1000XM6 models. We'll explore how to optimize settings, manage usage habits, and understand the latest battery-saving features from Sony to keep your earbuds going longer. Let's start with the basics. Battery life in your Sony WF earbuds is affected by three key things: hardware efficiency, your settings, and environmental factors. These earbuds are Bluetooth enabled with active noise cancellation, ANC, and rapid charging capabilities. Understanding how these features consume power is crucial. Also, it is important to note that after around 500 charge cycles, the battery will degrade to around 80% of its original capacity. Active noise cancellation, or ANC, is a major battery drain, consuming 20 to 30% more power than passive mode. Disable ANC when you don't need it, like in quiet environments. Alternatively, use ambient sound mode, which intelligently adjusts to save 10 to 15% energy. You can control these settings within the Sony Headphones Connect app. Also consider that higher volumes above 70% draw more current. Keep volume at 50 to 60% for up to 25% savings. The Bluetooth codec you choose significantly affects your Sony WF earbuds battery life. Let's explore the options and how to manage them for better efficiency. Use the SBC codec instead of LDAC for longer battery life. SBC provides standard audio quality and uses less power. LDAC offers high-resolution audio, but it drains the battery about 20% faster due to higher data transmission requirements. Limit your use of Bluetooth multipoint to avoid constant device searching, which consumes extra power as the earbuds scan for multiple connections. The Sony Headphones app allows you to control these codec and connection settings easily through its interface. Avoid fully discharging your earbuds. Instead, charge them daily in short bursts of 10 to 20 minutes. Sony recommends using their official 20-watt charger to reach 70% charge in about 30 minutes. This will help to preserve the overall health of your battery. Leaving it plugged in for extended periods of time after it's fully charged can also be detrimental. Keep your earbuds updated. Regularly update the firmware through the Sony Headphones Connect app. These updates often include bug fixes and efficiency improvements, potentially saving you 5 to 10% in battery life. Don't ignore those update notifications, as they can make a real difference. Let's explore real-world examples of users successfully extending their Sony WF earbud battery life. A marathon runner reported extending their WF-1000XM5 battery from 24 to 35 hours. By disabling active noise cancellation during runs and keeping firmware up to date, they achieved significant savings. In a CNET comparative test, the WF-1000XM6 lasted 38 hours compared to a competitor's 24 hours. By applying battery-saving tips like turning off ANC and using moderate volume, users saw a 58% improvement. A Sony-sponsored survey of 500 remote workers showed that using quick attention mode instead of full ANC saved 18% battery during daily Zoom calls, preventing midday drains. These real-world examples demonstrate that implementing battery-saving tips can lead to substantial improvements in Sony WF earbud performance. The future of earbud batteries is bright. Sony is shifting to more eco-friendly batteries and integrating AI-driven power management. Expect 40-plus hour lifespans by 2027 and potentially energy-harvesting tech in the future. By 2030, we might see 50-plus hours of battery life with graphene-lithium hybrids. Keep an eye on these advancements to get the most out of your earbuds.